So does that one have the other one that was cut off? What's it called? The cutaneous something or another? Does that have the cutaneous trunci on that one? Oh wait, that's cut off and it's... Does it fold over, or does it...
Well, it used to go up and attach to the skin, so it's just this little cut-off stub that's on the back side of the pectoralis.
Oh, that like fatty thing right there?
Well...
Is that fat? I might be wrong.
Yeah. I'm not really sure, because so many... It could be part of latissimus dorsi, too. But if we look at the arm on the outside, in front of this lateral head of triceps, and kind of right in the corner of the arm there, inside the edge of the elbow right here, there's a muscle right here.
And is that underneath the triceps?
It's sort of medial to it.
Okay.
Oh, dear, sorry. This nerve.
And it's called brachialis.
Okay.
So there's a brachialis right there. And then medial to that is biceps brachii.
Is it a certain biceps brachii? Is it a certain biceps brachii?
Well, there's two heads of biceps brachii. I'm trying to get a good view of both of them. So there's one head, and that's the one that's on the leading edge, and that one is
oh, that one just says that doesn't specify. Long head.
So biceps brachii, long head, then short head.
Okay. So that's long head. The one.
So this is biceps brachii.
Long head.
Long head. And then this is biceps brachii, short head.
Okay.
Because it's going to go down to the same insertion. Both this one and this one are going to the same insertion on the forearm.
But do they have different origins?
Yeah, they have different origins. So the one that's a short head inserts all the way back up here. You see that shiny tissue there? Mm-hmm. That's the tendon for the short head of biceps brachii. But on the other side of that tendon is this muscle, which
really thin one right there.
Which is the coracobrachialis. So it starts from that same insertion, that same tendon. It arises from a tendon in common with the short head of biceps brachii. And then it separates and it goes down and attaches to the humerus rather than to the forearm.
And what was that one called again?
Coracobrachialis.
Coracobrachialis.
Yeah, so that's coracobrachialis. And then that leaves this little tiny one right here, which is the medial head of triceps. So as the name triceps implies, there are three heads, right?
So that's medial head?
Lateral head, long head, and medial head. So when we look at this inside surface of the arm, long head of triceps, medial head of triceps, coracobrachialis, short head of biceps brachii, long head of biceps brachii.
Okay. And then we don't need to know anything from the forearm.
There was a thin sheet of muscle that was right here that was covering up all of this stuff that we had to remove, which is called the tensor fascia antebrachii, and you needed to know that.
Okay.
But it's kind of gone.
And then, what was the other one that I had a question about?
See, here's this rectus thoracis that I was trying to show you there.
Okay.
It's usually lost after a while because once you cut through the pectoralis, it's very... There it is right there. See that little tiny, the little tiny white tendon? Mm-hmm. And then that little tiny strap right there? This is kind of beat up. Normally you sort of see it laying down like that, running at a diagonal This is rectus abdominis. This is scalenus, and it runs down like that and has this nice little white tendon on the end of it.
And that one is which one?
Rectus thoracis.
Rectus thoracis. Okay. Okay. All right. Thank you.
You're welcome.